Hello, my love.
Hello.
So it's our first time going out of Tito and Tita's condo.
Yeah.
What is the name of the condo? How will we be able to get back?
I'm not sure. Lawrence Ave. Hindi ko alam.
Okay lang.
Pero ito na ang...
Basta pwede naman nating search yung ano. Dito ka, Ray.
This is the true
Canadian experience. So it's our first time experiencing Canada. So what time is it? 11?
11:39.
11:39?
Here. Ano nga kayang condo ninyo?
Yeah, matcha-chat naman natin. Hey.
Sa Lawrence Ave. Tapos i-message na natin si...
Yeah, so we are at North York, Ontario. Ayun, Lawrence Ave. So 11:30, weather check. Hindi mainit, no?
Yeah.
I would think around 20, 22. Hindi mainit.
But
Hindi rin super lamig. Pero hindi mainit. Dito tayo. Whoa! May nagsa-skateboard parating. Okay, so it's 11:30, so talagang under the sun. Pero hindi rin masakit yung sun, no? Ha? Is it just me? Yeah.
Because we've experienced
Bearable.
kind of sun.
Bearable for Ira is a huge difference. But for me, ayos.
Pero mainit din.
Mainit. I mean, 11:30.
Pero bearable.
Trellis Gardens. Ayun, may mga construction. Bridge rehabilitation. Allen Road Underpass. Hello. Ayun, may mga nakapark there. Mismo na si Honda City White. Ha? Totoo. Si RJX. Ay. Love. Color red, love.
Naka-green siya kanina.
Start crossing. Don't start. Finish crossing if started. So pwede ka nga mag-finish kanina if started. So kanina dahil nasa gitna ka na, pwede nga siya. So finish ka. Sorry, my bad. Tama ka. So push button to cross. I think okay na lang. I think mag-wait na lang tayo. May construction there.